In this video, you'll learn how to transfer Solana from CoinSwitch to your Phantom wallet by following these steps. You will successfully complete the transfer process, ensuring your SOL is safely moved to your Phantom wallet. Begin by opening your Phantom wallet on your device. Once the wallet interface loads, you will see the home screen. Look for the option labeled Receive and click on it. This action will direct you to a new screen where you can select the type of cryptocurrency you wish to receive. On this new screen, find and select Solana or Solana from the list of available cryptocurrencies. After selecting Solana, your wallet address will be displayed prominently. It is essential to copy this address since it is the destination for the Solana. Next, open the CoinSwitch application, a website. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the portfolio section, which should display all your assets. Look for Solana or SOL among your listed cryptocurrencies. Once you have located SOL, click on the withdraw or send option next to it. This will prompt you to enter the address where you want to send your SOL. Paste the Phantom wallet address you copied earlier into the designated address field. It is crucial to ensure that this address is accurate to avoid any loss of funds. After entering the address, you will need to select the network for the transfer. Choose the Solana network from the available options. Confirming that the network matches your Phantom wallet is vital, as sending funds on the wrong network can lead to permanent loss of your assets. Now enter the amount of SOL you wish to transfer. Before finalizing the transaction, take a moment to review the withdrawal fee associated with this transfer. Once you have verified the details, confirm the withdrawal. Be aware that CoinSwitch may prompt you for additional security measures such as email verification or a one-time password for two-factor authentication. Finally, after confirming the transaction, you will need to wait for it to process. Transactions on the Solana network typically complete within a few seconds to a minute. Once the transaction is confirmed, you will find your transferred SOL under the token section in your Phantom wallet.